All right, so we're here with Mr. Speid right after the Reggae Boyz victory. Mr. Speid, what was your thoughts on the game for today?
I thought we did extremely well under the circumstances. A lot of these players are really used to playing on a pitch that look like 1,000 times better than the one that we have. So I'm sure some of them are struggle, especially some of the players that play like in the English Premier League. It would have been a difficult outing for them. I'm just glad that they got through the game.
All right, so for me personally, the man of the match for me would have been a Damian Lowe or a Joel Latibodier. Who was the player to you that stood out the most?
Oh well, you know, the chap that got the goal, that's the most important statistics. I have to give that one to him.
All right, no problem. What is your thoughts going forward on the future of this particular team going forward in the Nation League and the upcoming World Cup qualifiers after?
Oh, well, I don't think we have a choice. I mean, we need to win this zone to qualify and to go further in the competition. Last competition we reached a semi-final. I mean, we have to be looking to get in there. You know, one of the things that we're looking out for is this consistency, where we're able to beat the teams that are not in the World Cup qualifiers. So you know the truth, Mexico, Canada, and the US is not in the World Cup qualifiers. So the rest of the teams, we have to develop this consistency to be able to beat them. That is the only way we are sure that we're to the 2026 World Cup.
All right, and what is your message to the fans that may have been a bit tentative to coming in today about next week's game against Haiti?
You don't want to hear my opinion. I just think that everybody in Jamaica have an opinion about football, but the truth is they need to come and support the team. And one of the ways to support the team is to come to the stadium, pay their way coming, so that the team will be comfortable and the funds are available to make the team comfortable. So fans, listen, you need to come out and support the team. It don't make sense to criticize, and then you don't come and support the team, because the team needs to come out. They need to have the Jamaica crowd as the 12th player. They need the finances to support the cause, so they're able to get more practice, etc. and make the players more.
All right, Mr. Speid, we do appreciate you taking the time to speak with us today, and thanks again. All right.